Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this right triangle ABC along with this line segment AD, as you can see in this diagram, such that this angle DAB is alpha, whereas this angle DBA is 2 times alpha, and moreover this side AB is 32 units. Whereas this side AC is 24, and furthermore this segment BD is x units long. And now our task is to calculate the value of this x. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe, and please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this triangle ABC. Let's make an observation. We can see that this angle is 2 times alpha. This is our 90-degree angle. So we are going to figure out this angle. And now let's recall the triangle sum theorem. The sum of 3 interior angles in a triangle is always 180 degrees. Let's assume that this angle is our angle beta. So according to this theorem, the sum of these 3 angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So let me go ahead and write down 2 times alpha plus beta plus 90 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Let's go ahead and subtract 90 degrees from both sides. This is gone. So therefore we got 2 times alpha plus beta equals to 90 degrees. Let me go ahead and isolate beta by moving this 2 alpha on the other side. So therefore our angle beta is going to be equal to 90 degrees minus 2 times alpha. So therefore this angle beta turns out to be 90 degrees minus 2 times alpha. And now let's focus once again on this right triangle ABC, whose side lengths are 24 and 32. And now we are going to calculate this hypotenuse BC of this triangle. So therefore let's recall the Pythagorean triplets 3, 4, 5. If I multiply all these numbers by 8 across the board, then our new set of Pythagorean triplets is going to become 3 times 8 is going to give us 24, 4 times 8 is going to give us 32, and finally 5 times 8 is going to give us 40. So therefore our this hypotenuse BC turns out to be 40 units. And you could have used the Pythagorean theorem to figure out this unknown side length. And now we are going to draw some auxiliary lines. So therefore we have constructed this line AP such that this angle DAP is alpha as well. So therefore now we can see that this angle is alpha and this angle is alpha as well. Both angles are congruent. And here's our next step. Let's focus on this triangle BAP. And we can see that this whole angle BAP is going to be alpha plus alpha is going to give us 2 times alpha. And now we can see that this angle is 90 degrees. So therefore this remaining angle is going to be 90 degrees minus 2 alpha. So therefore we can see that this angle PAC turns out to be 90 degrees minus 2 alpha. And now let's focus once again on this triangle BAP. We can see that this angle is 2 alpha and this angle is 2 alpha as well. So therefore we can see that this BAP is an isosceles triangle. So therefore we conclude that this side length BP is going to be equal to this side length AP, as you can see in this equation. Let's assume that this segment DP is A units. Then this whole side BP is going to be X plus lowercase a. So this BP length is going to be X plus A. And since we know that BP equals to AP, if this BP side is x plus a, then this AP length is going to be x plus a as well. And here's our next step. Let's focus now on this other triangle PAC. And we can see that this is an isosceles triangle as well, since this angle is congruent to this angle. And since this triangle is isosceles, so therefore this side length AP is going to be equal to this side length PC. And since this side length is x plus a, so therefore this PC length is going to be x plus a as well. And now let's make an observation. We can see this segment BP is x plus a, and likewise this segment PC is x plus a as well. So therefore this total side length BP is going to be x plus a plus x plus a. So let me go ahead and write down x plus a and then x plus a as well equals to, and we can also see that this side BC length is 40. So therefore this equation is going to become x plus a equals to 40. Let's combine the like terms on the left hand side. So this is going to give us 2x plus 2 equals to 40. Let's divide across the board by 2. Each and every term I'm going to divide by 2. So therefore we can see that x plus a length turns out to be 20 units. So therefore our this x plus a value turns out to be 20. This x plus a value is 20, and likewise this x plus a value is 20 units as well. And now let's make an observation. We know that x plus a equals to 20. Let me go ahead and move this x on the other side. So therefore a is going to be 20 minus x. So therefore I am going to replace this lowercase a length by 20 minus x. So therefore let's make an observation. This segment BD is x, and this segment DP is 20 minus x. And now let's focus once again on this triangle BAP, and we can see that this segment AD is angle bisector, since we get this angle alpha and this angle alpha as well. And now let's recall the angle bisector theorem. As you can see in this triangle ABP, we can see that this AD is our angle bisector. Then according to this angle bisector theorem, the ratio of this side A and B is going to be equal to the ratio of this segment C and D. As you can see in this equation, A divided by B equal to C divided by D. So therefore let me go ahead and label this side lowercase a, this side lowercase b, this side lowercase c, and this segment lowercase d. So let's go ahead and fill in the blanks over here in this equation. A in our case is 32 divided by b is 20 is going to be equal to c is x, and d segment is 20 minus x. And now we can see 32 divided by 20 could be reduced to 8 divided by 5, as you can see in this next step. And now let's go ahead and cross multiply. So therefore we are going to get 5 times x equal to 160 minus 8 times x. Now let's go ahead and add 8x on both sides. This is gone. So therefore on the left hand side we got 13 times x equal to 160. Let's go ahead and divide both sides by 13 to isolate x. So therefore our x value turns out to be 160 divided by 13, and this is our x value. So thus our x value turns out to be 160 divided by 13 units. and that is going to be approximately equal to 12.31 units. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.